Have you ever noticed how leaks for the Galaxy S26 series just won't stop? It's almost like every day a new piece of the puzzle drops, and the picture is looking wilder than anyone expected. And now, we've finally seen what could be the real heartbeat of Samsung's next big thing, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This isn't just a minor upgrade. We're talking about a chip so powerful it might actually set a new standard for smartphones in 2025. Welcome back, viewers. JMS here. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next big leak. Now, let's dive in. One of the S26 models has already surfaced online, and the numbers are jaw-dropping. The Galaxy S26 Edge, running the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, is showing about 18% faster single-core and over 21% faster multi-core performance than the S25 series. And remember, this is just an early prototype. That's already 393 on single-core and 515 on multi-core. Impressive, right? But here's where things get crazy. The Ultra isn't using this version of the chip. No, the S26 Ultra gets an even faster 4.7 GHz variant. That could mean scores brushing up against 4,000 single-core and around 12,000 multi-core. Numbers we've never seen in a Galaxy phone before. And here's the kicker. The S26 Edge, that leak is insanely thin at just 5.5 mm. That's thinner than most people thought possible while still packing this much performance. So yes, even the lighter version of the chip is stronger than what the S25 Ultra had. Oh, and this basically confirms one thing: the Galaxy S26 Edge is very real and it's coming. But hold on, the story gets even spicier. Samsung and Apple, the two biggest rivals in tech, are about to change the game in a way nobody saw coming. A new report claims Samsung is about to supply Apple with advanced CMOS image sensors for future iPhones. If true, this ends Sony's decade-long dominance over iPhone cameras. Think about it, Samsung already makes Apple's displays some of the most expensive components in the iPhone. If they add cameras to the list, that's not just business, it's billions in revenue. We probably won't see it in the iPhone 17 since that's too close to launch, but for the iPhone 18 and beyond, Samsung might literally help Apple take their cameras to the next level. Wild, right? And while they may shake hands on components, they're still locked in battle where it really counts: the market. In India, one of the toughest smartphone markets on the planet, Samsung is still holding on strong at number 2 overall, only behind Vivo, while Apple is way down at number 7. In a place where competition is brutal, Samsung managing to stay near the top is a win in itself. It's proof that despite Apple's premium image, Samsung still knows how to dominate markets where variety and value matter most. Now, let's talk design, because Samsung isn't just flexing power, it's finally listening to fans again. Remember when the S22 Ultra went sharp and boxy with those aggressive corners? It looked cool, sure, but holding it all day felt like gripping a brick. Then came the S25 Ultra, which softened those edges and made it more comfortable, a move a lot of people compared to Apple's curved iPhone 16 Pro Max. For the S26 Ultra, leaks say Samsung is taking it even further. The corners are rounder, the frame is thinner, and the whole device feels lighter and easier to hold. It might even be a bit taller and wider, but thanks to slimmer bezels, the display is getting bumped up slightly from 6.86 to 6.89 inches without the phone feeling oversized. So what we're looking at here is the most balanced Ultra yet: massive performance gains, thinner and lighter design, a smoother feel in the hand, and a display that pushes the edge without overwhelming you. If Samsung really nails this, the S26 Ultra could go down as one of the most refined flagships they've ever made. Now, I've got to ask you, do you prefer the sharp, futuristic corners of the old Ultras, or are you glad Samsung's bringing back the curves? Drop your thoughts below, because this debate is about to get very interesting.